Hey guys, welcome back. We are up to part 4 in the series. Today we're going to be closing the upper, so we're just going to be combining the back portion with the toe box. So the first thing we're going to do is grab some 1200 grit sandpaper, and we're just going to lightly sand the edges of the liners. Now we're going to start the first part of combining the two pieces, and we're going to just attach the two edges like this by using some double-sided tape. And the reason why we're doing it this way is because it's going to help us with the lasting process, and it's going to allow us to flip the toe box up so that we can last the liners easier. Now that the two liner pieces are attached with the tape, we're just going to bring it over to the sewing machine and stitch them together. And now we're going to bring the other side over and close the two liners together, and we're just going to do the same process again. Now the next step is to attach the lower Eyestay to the Mudguard, and we're going to do this by using some glue or double-sided tape to hold the two pieces before stitching them together. And there you have it, the upper is completely closed and it's starting to look like a shoe now. In the next video, part 5, we're going to start lasting, and what that means is forming the shape of the shoe. So if you don't want to miss that, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you guys next time. Peace.